I have just finished repairing this Corsair power supply and it was not working at all. So what I found was this PWM controller chip was faulty, and I found that little resistor there, this one, this one was also burned, and I started it and it partially worked. The standby 5 volts worked, but it does not output anything. I started again doing more diagnostics, and what I found is these two little transistors. One is marked as 1P, one is marked as 2F. Those two transistors are on the feedback circuit. I replaced them, and now this power supply is working. And I have connected this power supply to a motherboard so I can test it. And also I have this tester which proves that it's fully working. But let's try and power on this motherboard. As you can see, this motherboard is working and the display there works. Okay, so those two transistors are on the back of the board, this main board, on the back of the main board. Those two are not working properly, so I replaced them, and that's it. Thank you for watching.